So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here right hand side, you can see this is a search button to click, and then type your model number which is required. Okay, Gigabyte B840M Eagle Wi-Fi 6, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click of the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. Select any you are using. Installation process same, which is I am showing you. Okay, you watch this video and follow that. Audio driver. So first this is audio driver. Okay, click to download. After you can see it started downloading. So I already downloaded 165 size, 165. Open this. You just double click to launch. You can extract, otherwise you can directly install. Okay, click to yes. Now this is extracting. Extract driver to install your system. Now this is installing. Then close.